Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about cocoa sponge cake. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through, or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 3/4 cup milk, 2 teaspoon vinegar. Mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now add 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 cup of oil, and mix well. Let's add the dry ingredients, starting with 1 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Use the cut and fold method to combine all the ingredients. Transfer it to a greased mold, or else use butter paper like we did. Tap to avoid air bubbles and bake it in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes.